let's add some passwords to your GateKeeper Vault. To save a password for a website, first go to the website. Then click the GateKeeper extension icon in the taskbar, and from the drop-down menu, click Add Password. Your browser will then open a new tab where you can enter your login information. Type in your username and password and confirm your password. Click Save, and it's saved. And now, when you go to that website, GateKeeper will autofill it for you. What if your password isn't for a website? What if it's for a desktop application? Well, when you open your application, the GateKeeper icon will appear alongside it. Click it, and it will open a menu. Then click the blue button, Add Application Password. Here, you can add your login information. Type in your username, password, and confirm your password. Click Save, and it's saved. Now, when you use this desktop application, you can autofill your password by pressing the GateKeeper hotkey. That's Ctrl-Shift-G. G stands for GateKeeper. And your password will autofill. Now, you have the power of autofilling all your passwords with the security of knowing that when you walk away from your computer, your passwords go with you.